Hello and welcome. Today we're back at Bunnings. Yesterday I didn't get the soil and tea tree mulch because I had all the other stuff in the car, but we got all the stuff for the teepees. We put up the arch with the mesh, and that's all kind of infrastructure, so that's going to last a few years. And the bill came to $130 yesterday, which wasn't too bad, and I got some more flower seeds which I'll show you. So today I'm just going to go get the tea tree mulch and the soil and cow manure, and I need some more seedling trays and seedling mix, and then that's it. We've already got some purple sprouting broccoli sprouting, so that's exciting. Hopefully the green will be up soon. I only planted them maybe 3 days ago, so that's pretty good. And I found a big stack of flowers that I bought a couple of years ago that I also need to plant, and hopefully they'll all come up. So also yesterday was their delivery day, and they had a lot of the aisles closed and they didn't have many plants out. So hopefully everything's out today and we can go have a look around. So here is my haul, and let's hope that we can fit it in the car. That's my shopping trip all done. I had to put some in the back seat. I wouldn't normally buy so much soil and stuff, but when you're setting up new beds you're going to need it. So when I do the beds up on the wall, I'm just going to put what I've got on there, like chop and drop and grass clippings, and I'm just going to plant into that. And I did get one seedling, which was some lavender. It smells incredible because you get a heap of tiny little plants. So we're going to do a whole pot full of lavender, and maybe we can use some of the plants and mix them up. So hopefully I got enough soil. Oh, that's what I got that Miracle Grow for. I heard of Miracle Grow in the States. I don't know if it's the same thing. Miracle Grow, Black Magic something. So we're going to try that one in the pots. So now I'm going to hope that my car can drive with all that weight in it and get home and unloaded. So good news, the plumber has been and we've got working taps. Shorten that for me and waterproofed it. Okay, so here is what I've got done yesterday and the day before in the afternoon. We got all our cow manure. Now I've just got 2 to apply here. I put 3 on here, and we've moved these trees into position. So then the mulberry tree is going to go here at the back, and then we can plant in the front. We'll put down some tea tree mulch here. Will be the pathway. We're gonna kill the grass all the way here and then all the way across. I don't know if I'll leave a little patch here or if we just get rid of it. So these are our planter pots for the flowers. Then we'll have another pathway and then some more pots. Or maybe we should, yeah, maybe we should go pot pathway. And I'm probably going to put the plastic down from all these bags over there. So we're still working on that. I've got the teepee cleared. There's quite a lot of grass in here and I can't pull it out. Where I put the tea tree mulch, I was able to pull the grass out. But that's been really difficult, so I'm just going to keep cutting it out. We need to apply some green chop and drop to these 2 rows. There's so many lizards here. Did chop and drop here last night. We did chop and drop along here, and I put the cow manure down. Then I'm going to put some grass clippings, and I put the soaker hose down and tested it, and it works really well. We've had some rain here, so it's quite soggy. I might need to put some more tea tree mulch along here. That's why I've mounded here as well. So when I tested this, I've got the end of the hose here, but this lasts from here to here no water came out. So what I'm going to do is just wiggle this all down a little bit, just like push it down and put this here and wiggle that down all the way around, and then the hose is going to connect to the next lot. Now this hose was able to water here, so then we're going to do a hose that comes around these 2 rows, and that will water that side as well, hopefully. And that will be all the irrigation done there. Then we're going to connect a line up here that goes in a loop through this bed to do the trees and the garden. And that's why we've got on the tap, we've got 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that whole area is going to be done with 1. This area here will be 1, and then up the top will just be 1. We'll connect it all together onto 1 line, and then we'll have 1 line free. So that's all that. Then all our seedlings are sprouting. So we did a heap of flowers. So the cottage garden mix is sprouting. So is the rockery. It's only been 2 days. Did I put a date on there? Nope. Marigolds are coming up. Shades of blue is coming up. Cosmos, we've got a couple. Here we planted purple snow pea, my best seeds. So this is something else that's coming up here. Then over here we've got the green sprouting and purple sprouting have come up. Somebody ate that one. There was one there. So it's now the 8th, so it's been 4 days. Oh, no, 9th, it's been 5 days. Sugarleaf cabbage, no signs of life. They're old seeds, so we'll see what happens. Then we've got, these are apple seeds. They were sprouting in the apple, so I planted them. Straw flower, I just planted like 2 nights ago. Shades of white is coming up, and I think that could all be alyssum there. A lot of it. And this is a Benjamin button seed, or a, what are they called? Oh, I don't know what happened there. Straw flower. And this is the lavender that I got. So I'm going to plant that. So I'm going to let everything sprout, and then I'm going to prick it all out, and then we'll plant it where we want it. It's a good old Venus flytrap. I need to give this a little clean up. Whoop. Whoops, pulled one out. I might just pop that up. Might give it its own pot. Oh, there's another one I just pulled out too. Have a look. Yep. I'll clean those 2 up and give them their own pot. I've got some cocoa peat here. Okay, so I just quickly potted up these Venus flytraps and a bit of moss, so we'll see how that goes. Just when I pulled that weed out, they all came out.